Good morning, students. So, continuing our chapter number 8, Carts and Wheels. Students, please take out your book and take page number 92. Look in your book, Balancing Act. Can you balance a plate on your finger? I will balance it. Oops, I will try again. I think I have found the center of the plate. So students, you can see here two monkeys are there in the picture and they are trying to balance the plate on their finger. The first one, when it tries to balance a plate on his finger, the plate falls down because the finger of that monkey is at the side of the plate. But the second one, somewhat his finger is at the center of the plate. So for some extent that monkey balances the plate for some time. So student, the question is, can you balance a plate on your finger? Try to balance it. It's very difficult to balance a plate on the finger, but if you practice well, then you can balance the plate on your finger. But starting mein it's very difficult. So you can write down, no, I can't balance a plate on my finger. It is very difficult as it requires a lot of practice. But you can do it if you have done lot of practice. So try to do it. Next, there is an activity. You also try to balance a plate or a roundlet on your finger. Where does it balance? So if you try to balance a plate or a round lid on your finger, you have to put your finger at some place so that you can balance a plate or the round lid. So where you have to put your finger so that it balances. So try to balance a plate or a round lid on your finger, and you can see at some place when your finger is at some place, the plate can balance or a round lid can balance for some time. So I will tell you answer now. You can do it afterwards. The center of a plate or a round lid is the place where we balance while trying on our finger. So you can balance a plate or a round lid, and the place where you have to put your finger is at the center of the plate or a round lid. So the place it the center of a plate or a round lid. You have to put your finger at the center. Then only you can balance a plate or you can balance on a round lid. Try to do it by yourself. Next, spin the top. Zakir, Appu, Naina and Guddo were getting bored. It was raining, so they could not go out to play. Suddenly Appu said, let's each make a top. So here four children, Zakir, Appu, Naina and Guddo, they were getting bored as it was raining outside, so they can't play. Since it was raining outside, so they can't play. They can't go outside to play. Then suddenly Appu said, let's each make a top. So they decided to make a top. They took a piece of cardboard and traced a circle on it. Then they made a hole and put a matchstick in it. So they started to make their tops. So what they done, they have taken a piece of cardboard and traced a circle on it. All the four children have taken a piece of cardboard and they traced a circle on it. Then they cut the cardboard in a circular shape and they made a hole and they put a matchstick in it. Now everybody was excited to spin their tops, which looked like this. So all the 4 tops were ready and they were excited to spin their top. You can see the picture where all the 4 children has made their tops. The first one Zakir's, then Appu's, then Nana and then Guddu. And they were ready to spin their tops. Guess. 4 questions are given in your book. You have to tell me the answer and write the answer in the book itself. So the first question is, whose top will not spin at all? You can see in the picture the tops of 4 children, Zakir, Appu, Naina and Guddu. And the question is, whose top will not spin at all? किसका टॉप बिल्कुल भी स्पिन नहीं होगा? Won't rotate at all. Zakir, Appu, Naina या Guddu. So by looking the top you can say Zakir's and Naina's. Their tops will not spin at all. उनका टॉप बिल्कुल भी स्पिन नहीं होगा because they have placed the matchstick at the side of the circle. They have to place it at the center of the circle, but since they have placed the matchstick in the side of their circles, so their top will not spin at all. You can write the answer. Zakir's and Naina's top will not spin at all. Next question. Whose top will spin a little? अब इनमें से एक का टॉप स्पिन तो होगा बट फॉर अ वाइल, कुछ सेकेंड्स के लिए स्पिन होगा एंड देन इट फॉल डाउन. वो कौन है? जाकिर और नैना का टॉप तो बिल्कुल भी स्पिन नहीं होगा, सो डोंट लुक टू देयर टॉप्स. अब बचे हैं अप्पूज एंड गुड्डो. सो बाय लुकिंग द पिक्चर वी कैन से दैट गुड्डोज टॉप विल स्पिन अ लिटिल. उसका भी वैसे वो रॉन्ग है, उसका भी सेंटर में नहीं है, बट हिज टॉप विल स्पिन अ लिटिल. थोड़ा सा उसका टॉप स्पिन हो जाएगा. सो द टॉप मेड बाय गुड्डो विल स्पिन अ लिटिल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हुज टॉप विल स्पिन द बेस्ट? सो यू कैन सी टॉप्स ऑफ 4 चिल्ड्रेन. अब जिसका स्टिक सेंटर में होगा उसका टॉप विल स्पिन द बेस्ट. सो वी कैन सी हियर Appu's top, the stick is somewhat to the center of the circle. So Appu's top will spin the best. The top made by Appu will spin the best. You can write down the answers in your book itself. In whose top is the stick nearest to the center? अब जिसका टॉप बेस्ट स्पिन हो जाएगा उसी का स्टिक नियरेस्ट टू द सेंटर होगा, है ना. टॉप किसका स्पिन होगा बेस्ट? अप्पूस का. तो अप्पू का स्टिक कहाँ पे रखा है? नियरेस्ट टू द सेंटर. तो इफ़ यू प्लेस द स्टिक टू द सेंटर पॉइंट देन योर टॉप विल स्पिन द बेस्ट. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन द आंसर इज the top in which the stick is nearest to the center is Appu's top. Next, again an activity, make your own top. You have to make your own top and you can play this game. So this is an activity. You have to make a top with the help of a cardboard and a matchstick. Okay. So you make your own top and you can play this game. So to make the top spin well, where will you make the hole? अब आप अपना टॉप बनाएंगे और आप ये चाहेंगे कि वह अच्छी तरह से स्पिन करे, अच्छी तरह से वो रोटेट करे ऑन इट्स ऑन एक्सिस. तो वेयर विल यू मेक द होल? आप उसका होल कहाँ बनाएंगे? ऑब्वियसली नेचुरली you will make the hole at the center of the circle. जो भी आपका सर्कल रहेगा उसका आप सेंटर पॉइंट लेंगे, या विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कॉम्पस यू कैन मेक द सर्कल. ओके, और जिसमें जहाँ पे कॉम्पस का पॉइंट रहेगा दैट इज़ द सेंटर ऑफ योर सर्कल. You can place the pointed stick at that place and then your top will spin very well. Okay, so the answer you can write down. We will make the hole at its center to spin the top well. Okay, so in this way you can make your top. Okay, so student, this is the last module of this chapter. We have completed our chapter number 8, carts and wheels. In the next class we will start our new lesson. So you have to practice very well how to make a circle with the help of a compass. So try to do some questions. Make a circle with the help of your compass with a radius of 5 centimeter, or draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter with the help of a compass. This type of questions you have to practice very well. Okay, so whatever questions I have given you, to do it in your notebook, you have to do in your notebook, and some of the answers you have to write down in your book itself. That answers you can note down in your book itself. So complete this lesson by today itself. From next class we will start our new lesson. So students, okay, we will meet in our class. Goodbye.